Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our second in our series on the MIC, the Member Information Center. My name is John Eischen, the Executive Director of Rochester Area Builders. This session will show you how you can market yourself a little more to your potential customers as well as your fellow members, making sure you have all the information that you need in your profiles on the Memberzone software that populates our website. Our website does get a lot of hits every year. Of course, it spikes with our home show and then our showcase events and now the fashion show, Studs, Dress, and Stilettos. But also we get lots of hits on our membership listing, the member listing, people looking to hire you. So I just want to make sure that you are aware of all those opportunities. Joining me, of course, is our team at the office, working hard for you. Rebecca Fierst, our Membership and Education Director, Audra Boldwan, who is our Plan Room and Website Director, and Shelley Ballman, who is our Special Events and Publications Director. So they're the experts. You'll see me drop out and do what I usually do and let them take the lead. If there's any questions at any point in time, there's a chat box and there's a question box. That's my job, to watch and monitor questions. Feel free to ask those at any point in time. The team knows that if I pop up my face during the conversation, there is a question. So with that, I will turn it over to Audra.
Hello, everyone. I am going to start right here. This is the MIC, Member Information Center. And the first thing I'm going to point out is down here under links, we have a couple documents, the Member Profile Enhancements and the RAB Marketing Opportunities. The Marketing Opportunities is what was sent out to you guys a few months back. And so that's really good about explaining what we're explaining to you today, except without the video. And a Member Profile Enhancement is what I'm going to get into a little bit more today, but it's a subset of the marketing opportunities. So the first thing I'll mention is in regards to your profile enhancements, we do have 4 different options. There's the standard, which is included with your membership. There's the upgraded for $100. There's the enhanced for $300, and there's the premium for $500. So there's a lot of different information about what you get, but you can see here some examples. So Ultra Federal Credit Union is at the top of the list. They are in the premium or the top tier. They have added their logo to this, and that is part of that level. Also, another good one is Square Straight Level. That's level 3 as well. And if you can see here, the little blue house, that means they're a builder member. The red wrench there means they're an associate member. And I don't think I have anybody right up top, but if you see a green clock, that is a contributory member. So one of the things I wanted to show you was what you get to see with each type of listing. So let's see. Haley Lighting is at the upgraded level, and so they have some hours you can see, some abouts they can do, and the map can be shown. They do also get more than 5, but they haven't quite added those yet, but they sure can. That is an advantage of upgrading to that. You go from 5 categories up to 12. And then another one is that's got an enhanced listing, might be the ISG. So they added their logo, they added the bullet list, they have more space in the About Us. And by all means, include your reps to be shown here. They can be shown here in the MIC, or they can be shown in the public side, or both, of course. And then for premium, you got to see this guy, Square Straight Level, new member. They really took advantage of their top level here, and they added a header image. They added photos. They even, look at all these photos they added. This is a great way to show off yourself on our website. lots of different choices there. You can have your social networks if you're at the premium level. So every member gets access to these choices, but you do have to get a hold of me to upgrade yourself. But you can choose to add all this stuff, like all these reps are available to be, you can add them at any time. That is not part of it. But so this is the MIC, and you can see that there's, this is how it's viewed here. You can also see that there's advertising available. Now the advertising is a little complicated, and so I'm just gonna jump over to this is our website, and you can get to the MIC where we just were through logging in over here, the top right corner, member login. But there's advertising available, but the way the advertising works, you can pick and choose. Like if you want to just be on finance and insurance, that's a top tier category, you can. Or you can be just in a specific category such as home mortgages. And as you see here, we have Wells Fargo Home Mortgage. They're up at the top of the list because they are an advertiser. They have a different color background because they're an advertiser. But Ultra and First Alliance have done the tier 3, so they're at the top of the list as well. And everybody else, so the Premier Bank, you can click on this and go to their profile page, but everybody else doesn't get that shown because they haven't gone at least to the upgraded level. So another thing I'll point out is we do have job postings available, and you can list up to 2 per company on the job postings. And it also shows up on your profile page. So you can see Premier Bank here has a little icon showing that they have a job posting available for their company. We also have the news. I'll come back to that at a later time. Let's see, someone else is going to talk about that. But we also have something called hot deals. And we don't have any hot deals right now, but you can do a hot deal for the public, or you can do it for member to member. And you can have the same deal both places, or you can have a better deal to the public if you want. And then under market space, this is where we're showing our developments. So all of these are developments that members have provided us, builder members only. And if you haven't done it and you want to, just let me know, get a hold of me and we'll figure that out. Would there be any questions so far on that?
Audrey, do you want to go back to the website and the member listing and talk about the email contact form? I want to chat about that.
Right. Yes, thank you. So if I click on home mortgages again, you can see that there's a lot of different ways. There's little icons over here. You can sort it alphabetically. You can print this list. You can map these 20 entries. You can view it in a different format if you want. And you can also email. So if I wanted, as a user, as a person from the public, to contact all of these companies, I could click this and I would see all those companies as an option to fill in. You can see down here, but some of these aren't checked. And the reason some of those aren't checked is because they don't have an email address in their company email field. So we need you to fill that in, or you can provide it to us, but we suggest you log in, check your information, and fill that in. So then you can be included in these type of emails. So again, this is a referral from us to you about a person from the public.
Sure. So if someone's looking to get a new mortgage, they can email everybody. This is monitored by us, so you don't have to worry about getting spammed. We get a notification that someone has made a request for contact, and we allow that email to go out. So we catch the spam before it is. So if you're going to get an email from us, it's legit. It is monitored by us. We get notified first. But again, make sure you go into the Member Information Center, the MIC, and make sure you have that information. Otherwise, you're missing out. And it does happen. We do get notifications that somebody is emailing. We had somebody was looking for some developers And so we allowed that email to go out. So make sure you have all your contact information filled out completely so you don't miss out on any of that. And there is a question that just popped up. Let's see, can you repeat the names of the tiers and the prices, and are hot deals like an exclusive offer that would be either for the community or just RAB members? And is there a cost or tier required for the hot deals to be added to RAB? The tiers and the prices, we can sure mention again. I don't think we mentioned prices, but we can mention the tiers. The hot deals are for anybody, the general public or members. Audra, if you can go back to that area.
Yeah, so
There's a member-to-member deal.
yeah, the member-to-member specials are like, they're the same as hot deals, they're just only available to other members. Hot deals are available to both members and the public. So if you want to think about it as the public and member, that works too. As far as the pricing goes, we have the standard profile enhancement, which is everybody gets standard. That's free, that's included with your membership. The second one, the first one is the upgraded level 1 for $100 a year. Then we have the enhanced listing, that's level 2, that's for $300. And then the premium level is $500, that's level 3. And again, you can find the more details about that in these 2 documents down here. Is there anything else before we move on to Rebecca?
Not so.
Okay. Go ahead, Rebecca.
Okay, so I'm going to talk to you today about marketing your business through Rochester Area Builders events. So many of you probably know that we have events both for the public and for members only. I'll run through kind of our public events first. We have our home show, our fashion show, Studs, Struts, and Stilettos, our showcase of home, both spring and fall, our remodelers tour, and also our education classes. With the home show and showcase of homes, you have the option also to market yourself through sponsorships and also participation through having a home show booth or entering a home on the showcase, or even with the fashion show, entering a design. So you have both options there with sponsorships and participation. Then we also have our member-only events, and you can find those. Those won't be found on our website. You have to actually log into the Member Information Center for the member-only events. And that would include our golf outing, our sporting clay shoot, our holiday party, our networking nights, and general membership meetings. And with those, we have sponsorships available as well. And what's great about our events is we make it so that our sponsorships can fit every budget. So through our events, it's a great opportunity to market your business and get out and meet others within the association. So from here, I'll let Shelly take it over.
One more way to market yourself with the showcase of homes, if you're not a builder, because you can't enter a home unless you're a builder member, but you can advertise in our digital magazine if you want to reach out to the general public. Like I said, the events that we have during the year are really, we really get lots of traffic during those times. So that would be a good opportunity for you to look at additional marketing. Sorry, Shelly.
That's all right. So we also have the newsletter that goes out monthly, that goes out at the end of the month. Typically we try to get that out before the last Tuesday of the month. I would like to, if you plan to advertise, we do have an option for a full page ad or a half page ad. And I would need to have that by the typically the 15th of the month. If you do a full page ad for the entire year, you can change out your ad every month. Even a half page ad, you can do that as well. And also we have the option for a press release if you have a new staff member or celebrating a retirement, something like that. This newsletter is posted. We send it out to over 1,500 people, and then we also post it on our website. It's under the news tab on our website. It's also on the MIC. And then I believe it, yeah, it's under news. And then also it's listed on Issue, which is another platform that hits a lot of people. So I mean so it gets out there, reaches a lot of people, and you can have it linked to your website, to emails, however. And so just contact me if you're interested in advertising in our newsletter, and I will send it off to John.
Thank you, Shelley. So the other thing that we have is just kind of a little information. There really isn't a way to, well, I suppose there is. This is our YouTube channel. This is where we host all of our webinars that we've done, all of our commercials that we've ever produced are here. The PSAs, public service announcements, various things, they're all here. The debates that we had for city council, that type of thing. You can find everything here. When we mentioned the MIC and how you can make sure, we want to make sure you utilize the member information center as much as possible, and you didn't attend that first one, you can rewatch it and figure out how to access the MIC. Make sure you have the appropriate personnel listed. So if you, what I would suggest is looking at the website first. Look at your listing. Make sure it looks how you want it to look. If it doesn't, then we can more than happy to chat about how we can change the tiers and that type of thing. If you're a builder or a realtor repping a builder, take a look at some of the other folks, and Audra mentioned the new members Square Straight Level that really took advantage of everything. I think they did a fantastic job of their listing. You want to make it pop. We do get lots of traffic. I think last year was close to 30,000 people visit our website. So just your membership alone, you get another website, basically another avenue to promote yourself to the general public. And we do get lots of traffic to our website. So it's event driven, and then it's trying to find somebody to hire. If you would like to participate and change something or do one of the advertising options on the website or the newsletter, increase your tier listing. If you were on the webinar today, we're going to give you 10% off any of those, and we know who you are. So if you are interested and want to pursue some things, Audra, Shelley, Rebecca, myself, if you email me, I'll send you to somebody else that knows what they're really doing. Thanks for your attention today. We just wanted to keep this kind of short and sweet because we know everybody's busy. So thank you for attending. If there are no other questions, and I don't see any, have a great rest of your day, and let us know if we can help you out and help you drive some business your way. Thank you. And thank you, team.